What's going on, guys? So let's enjoy this beauty here before we actually start cleaning it. This project will require a brush. In this case, we're gonna use lysol and a vacuum, a shop vacuum. So we're gonna spray it down with that, let it sit for a minute, scrub it down, spray it some more, scrub it down, spray it some more, scrub it down, and then go with the vacuum and vacuum it up or extract it, like the detailers say. Yep, nothing fancy, just to get her done, but that's pretty disgusting there. Okay, so let's go. This vacuum. There you go. Find it at your local hardware store. Move on. Oh, can't have none of that. All right, for the grand finale, right there. And this is all Lysol. All Lysol. This is 100% water and a little bit of Lysol. That's it, man. You gotta overcomplicate stuff. Portions of portions, whatever. Vacuum. Some Lysol. Yeah. What do you think that is? Coffee? Everybody say coffee? Coffee? That same thing. Anyway, and a regular drill with a makeshift brush. You get a brush, you know, circle brush or whatever. Just drill a hole in the center, run a screw through it that way. Put a washer in a nut just to keep the brush tight, and there you go. This is a detail brush. All right, side to side comparison right there, so you get an idea of a before. That's the passenger side, and the after. That's the driver's side. Yes, it still looks a little, but it definitely looks way better than that. Crusty, musty. There you go. Much better. Now, with this 100-degree weather we're having today, that should dry up pretty quick. Alright, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do what you always do. Hustle, 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 hustle.